Hello friends, welcome to my new Bootstrap 3 tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about the classes available in Bootstrap which supports images. Bootstrap has the classes which can make images responsive, which can align the images to left, right and center and also provide a shape to the image. So let's go to our Sublime text editor and see how we can demonstrate those classes. So friends, first we will see how Bootstrap classes helps in giving shape to an image. So in my images index.html, after providing bootstrap css and bootstrap javascript file, I will start coding into the body. So first I will create a br tag. Under br I will create a div, and to this div I will provide a class of container. Inside container I will create another div and provide it a class of row. So first I will create 3 columns of 4 grid width. Class g4. I will just copy this and paste it below. So friends, using Bootstrap, first we will provide rounded corners to image. So after providing a heading, I will create a image tag, and to this I will provide a source. So here source would be in part to the image. So in order to get an image, what I will do for this tutorial, I will go to a website, say placehold.it. So this website provides the image source, say whichever size and shape you want. So this is the width and this is the height. So whichever width and height image you want, it provides. So I will just copy this link and add to my image source, and I will paste it here. Say I provide a width of 333 and height of 300. So if I save it and run on the browser, so you can see on the browser an image having a width of 333 pixels and height of 300 pixels. So currently this is an like a square shape. So in order to make its corner as round, what we'll do, we'll provide it a class of image rounded, and if I save it and go to the browser, you can see the image is now round corners. So similarly, if you want to provide a shape of a circle to image, what we'll do, but I will just copy this and paste it here, and I will give the heading as circle, and the class to make it a circle would be image circle. And similarly if I want to create a thumbnail, so I will just copy this and paste it here and give a heading as thumbnail and a class as image dash thumbnail. So if I save it and go to the browser, you can see that is, say, the image which we saw here is now in circle, and here you can see it's in the thumbnail. So there is an extra layer of border. So this was all about the shapes. Now we will see how we can align the shapes using Bootstrap classes. So going back, so in order to demonstrate alignment support in Bootstrap, what I will do, I will just copy this complete div, and just below the row I will paste it, and I will take a large column of 12 grid width, and let's say I provide a heading as alignment. So I take the images rounded. So if I show it on browser now, so you can see it's by default coming to the left. Now suppose we want this image to be in right, then we can use the class here as pull right, and if I save it and go to the browser, you can see the images came to the right. Also, if we want the shape to be in the center, then we can use a class as center dash block. So if I save it and go to the browser, you can see the image is in center. And similarly, if we want the image to be in the left, then there is a class for that, which is, so the class is pull dash left, and if I save it and go to the browser, you can see the image came to the left. So this was all about the alignment part. So now we'll see how we can make image responsive in Bootstrap. So going back to editor, so what I will do, I will just copy this and paste it below. I will give a heading as responsive image. So currently, if I remove this class and say here I take an image of say 900 pixel, and let's say I take a circle shape. So currently this image is not responsive. So if I go to browser, you can see an image with a width of 900 and height of 300 with a circle shape. And so currently this image is not responsive. So if I decrease the size of my browser, you can see the image is still 900 by 300. So it's not responsive currently. So in order to make this image responsive, we'll go back and to image circle, we'll provide a class of image responsive. That's it. If we save it and go back to browser again, so if I decrease the length of browser now, so you can see image also decreases in length and width. So this is what we call a responsive image. So as soon as the browser length increases, the image increases its width and height. So friends, this was all about the images in Bootstrap. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog. The link is given in the description. Thanks. Have a nice day.